up, guys? It is currently 9:15 in the a.m. on a Saturday, and we're going to pick up Devin right now because we got a video for you today. So we'll tell you more about the video when we get to his house. We'll see you at Devin's. All right, guys, so we just got to Devin's, but look at who came and welcomed me out. Hi, buddy. Hi, Charlie. Say hey to the camera, buddy. Say hey to the camera. All right, let's get inside and see what this boy's doing. Guys, make sure you do your laundry.
Too early in the morning.
Hey. It's not that. I mean, when you go to sleep at 2 every morning because you're editing videos and working on cars, 9:30 comes pretty early. So, we'll hit y'all up at the house. Okay, guys, we're back at the house. Next thing we're going to be doing is taking this bad boy. As much as I love having a GT badge on my car, it's just not what we like to do. So, taking this bad boy, taking the GT part out. We're going to show you how to put a different emblem in there. So stay tuned for that because it's going to get really interesting. Yeah, cross fingers, really. Alright, guys. Now, this isn't necessarily the proper technique, holding it with your feet, but here we make it work and we make it happen. So we got to do what we got to do. I've already cut out the G. Got to cut out the T real quick. We're going to sand it down, and it should be good to have that plastic piece over it. Oh, well, hey, got another thing for you real quick. In this project, we're going to be taking this little bad boy off right here, the little symbol on the steering wheel. I'm going to show you how to do that. So this will work. First of all, we've already disconnected the battery. Make sure that you do that. In our last video, I showed you how to do it. So that is very important. Anytime you're working with anything airbag related, make sure that you take that battery out because it's not going to be good if it goes off. Let me tell you. So, get a flathead, and if you come around here, see that bad boy right there? Well, let me tell you. Screwdriver, pop that bad boy right out. It's on both sides. And behind this, there's a little bitty bolt. It's 8 millimeters. So, with a little assistance from my beautiful assistant, Devin, we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this bad boy. All right, Devin, are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you got yourself a little magnetic piece so you don't lose. Here, let me help you out, buddy. Bang, baby. You know what, guys? Go pick up a Bang. You know, we're not sponsored by Bang, but heck, that'd be something. So now, guys, what you want to do is you just want to grab it by this part and just kind of wiggle that mug out of there. All right, now look here. Come in close, old Devin. You have tan and black. Black on the left, tan on the right. Don't get it mixed up. That'd be bad if you got in a wreck and you got it mixed up. And to make it even more simple for you, they've got it right there. Tan, black. Man, that's gray. That's definitely gray. I look like an idiot. Right now, I'm just prying it off, guys. No big deal. Kind of like how I pry off quarter miles. That was what we ran last time, 2.1. You want to be technical.
What's up, guys? We're back in Walmart still. Yeah, so I hope you're enjoying the video, and let's get right back to it.
Take the emblem off. You know what I'm thinking, Devin?
What's that?
I'm thinking I'm going to put a tuner right here.
Oh, really? Actually, it's more like your data logger, not your tuner.
You know, you really do have nice skin.
Oh, thanks.
No problem. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Just look at that face. What more could you want? Bang, baby!
Bang.
If only we had a bang to get in this video. Oh,
Is that a bang?
It's a bang in the wild. Look at that, baby!
That's a rainbow unicorn bang. You ever seen a rainbow unicorn? You don't believe in unicorns, but I got a rainbow one right here. Bang. All right, guys. So right here we got our emblems here. One for the back deck lid, and then the one for the steering wheel. We're gonna try to do little custom emblems here. I already sanded them down with 400 and 1500 just to scratch them up, roughed up the edges. We're gonna do it with a primer, and then we're gonna paint them black.
What's up? So just laid 2 coats of black, about to lay a 3rd one, but I just thought I'd show y'all real quick on these emblems. Boom. Look at that glossy finish. Oh yeah, baby. A little bit of orange peel, but not like that's nothing we can't fix. So I'm about to lay the 3rd coat. 3 coats. I've been waiting about 30 minutes in between each coat. So it's good to wait because the faster you do things, the more risk you run of not getting it right. So always make sure that you're waiting. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, what's going on? Crooked hat still. It's the next day. Yesterday, we both had to go to work because we have jobs to make money. So basically, I'll show you what we're doing. I just put a primer on our emblem. And the two pieces that we painted yesterday to go into that emblem are right here. So we got this bad boy, which is gonna go on the back with a little Smurf logo. And then you got this, which is gonna go on the steering wheel. So overall, came out pretty well, pretty happy with it. Now, Devin, what is that there you're sitting on?
Oh, this is a creeper chair sponsored by DD Custom Wraps.
Big thank you to DD Custom Wraps. What does that chair do, Devin?
Well, see, it also folds down.
So you mean to tell me I could just lay down and chill out while Devin's working, because that's what I do best, is chill out. I can roll around and do some silly stuff. Not look too good with this angle though, good lord. Hey. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so safety blue. If you want anything grabber blue, Rust-Oleum makes this color, safety blue. Pick it up at Walmart, Home Depot, any of those kind of stores, or even on Rust-Oleum.com. That's where you want to go for grabber blue stuff. Just to do stuff. This is what we did my headlights and the mirrors with. So definitely check out Rust-Oleum safety blue if you want to do some grabber blue accents.
Which way's the bathroom, boy?
It's that way, baby.
Is the bathroom that way?
It's over there, bro.
Or is it over here?
Maybe both ways. Hey, you know what? As a guy, you can go to the bathroom wherever you want. So you go here, maybe even down here. According to my calculations, this video is going pretty dang well. So let's get back to it. What's up, guys? So I'm currently on my way to DD Custom Wraps, our sponsor, to see if we can't get this deck lid wrapped right. The problem was that the deck lid just didn't want to be painted. Something wasn't setting right with the paint. I don't know what it was. It came out looking like a zebra. We sanded it down. It was kind of cool how it looked, but it just wasn't going to work for us. And then we painted it black, and there's just a bunch of scratches and cracks in it, it looks like. So I'm currently going over to DD Custom Wraps, see if he can't wrap it for us and make it look real nice, which I know that he'll be able to because they are masters at what they do. Really great guys. Seriously, go check them out if you want any kind of custom wrap job on your car. They know what they're doing. We're going to see if he can't bang this out real quick. I'll talk to you when we get there. Okay, guys, so this is what we're dealing with right now. Just oof. But luckily we're here at DD Custom Wraps.
We're gonna get it done.
So we're gonna make it work and make it happen, and it's gonna come out looking factory good, if not better. So we'll get back to y'all in a minute. Here's what's going on right now. DD Custom Wraps is wrapping the deck lid like we said, and it's turning out looking pretty good. That gloss black there's something about it, man.
So on here you see a bunch of scratches and stuff. Well, it's actually a new film called 2080, and 3M did have a series called 1080, and this was their previous film. They actually discontinued this. They just started coming out with this recently, actually like very, very recently. So it's 2080, and if you can see right here, kind of got like a weird wrinkle on it. But what it is all gloss colors come with a plastic film to protect it during application. So whenever you put it on, you can scratch it up as much as you want, and it looks kind of bad. Once you get done, you take off this plastic covering. It is like a very, very brilliant gloss black. It's really, really pretty.
That's what we like to hear, man.
Excited to work with it. So I'm not quite done yet because you still have to tuck the edges and stuff. Obviously, you're not going to finish a wrap like this. So before you do that, if you tuck it and then have all the plastic tucked as well, it's not going to peel up because it's going to be tucked. So I got to find a spot to grab real quick. Probably see if I can grab it from here in just a second. All right. This is 3M Series 2080. They're gloss black.
Alright, so guys, we got our emblem right here. Looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and put on this freshly wrapped deck lid by DD Custom Wraps. Slots in like that, and then a little bit of a, yeah. Okay guys, so real quick, sorry to interrupt the video. Just want to let you know that the film on the back of the car on the deck lid, the wrap went on perfectly fine, and DD Custom Wraps did a great job. There's only so much that you can do sometimes though, and the paint sat so weird that we just weren't able to get it smooth again. So big thanks to DD Custom Wraps for doing what they could as far as wrapping the deck lid goes. Unfortunately, we're going to have to come back and try and redo the deck lid again, just to make it look a little bit better. But once again, just want to let y'all know, it's not their fault. That is not their quality of work. That is just our fault as far as painting goes. So back to the video. Boom. Now if that don't say Papa Smurf, I don't know what does. Oh, well, hello there. Just a couple dogs coming at you.
Right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, keep God number one. Anything you want to do in life, go ahead and do it. All you gotta do is make it work.
And make it happen.
We'll see you guys next week.
Happy Halloween.